Doctors are now saying that the pain we feel when we experience period cramps is equivalent to the pain we feel when we have a heart attack. So we've been enduring this pain for years. We're trying to be like, it's fine, it's pain, but it's nothing. I can endure anything.
I thought being a working class woman in Jamaica, paying bills and hustling every day was enough. But life decided to throw another curveball. I got minding my business and bam! Aunt Flo decided to pay a visit.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat, stop lying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go. Truthfully, the game that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me.
This is my first cup of loose tea for the morning. I sip my tea and I take a few minutes to jot down my thoughts in a journal. It's the way I clear my head and set my intentions for the day. I write about how I'm feeling, what I'm grateful for, and what I hope to accomplish. Then I saw it online somewhere, right? Where you can heat a rag in the microwave and put it on your stomach for temporary relief. Trust me, this little hack, while prompt, was a lifesaver. I put it right on my belly and it helps ease the pain. After I have some energy and we have to still adult, we go to the supermarket and do a little light errands while I have the energy to do so. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I take painkillers and they seem to give me temporary relief. I also find that distracting myself when I'm on my period really helps. So I try to take my time and do some chores. And while I'm at it, it's very productive. I take my second dose of painkillers and I try to eat something. But eventually the pain gets too much, even with the painkillers, and I decide to take a break. A warm shower is a must for me. I take the time to wash my hair as well. I use my favorite shower routine products and it feels like a mini spa session while helping me to relax my muscles. As the water cascades down, I take deep breaths and try to mentally prepare for the day ahead. After my shower, I moisturize my body and hair and grab my most comfortable outfit. Comfort is key, ladies. I also make sure to wear my coziest underwear, the ones our grandmas used to wear. No one wants anything light or constricting when dealing with cramps. I have the energy to continue my errands for the day because you know it's a part of our everyday lives as women. Just do it. But it's like it gets me every time to not sit down and wallow in my cramps, but do something, anything. Nonetheless, one thing about me, and I think the painkillers really came in handy, once you take like the third dose, you get the motivation to clean. And while I was making sure the washing machine understood the assignment, I made my second cup of tea and decided to take a nap while the sheets were drying outside on the line. Nothing to it. But friends, the pain was real. But eventually when I got up, I decided to just take out the sheets. They were dry in quick time, which is what I love. And then, because they were still warm from the sun and I was still motivated, I took them straight upstairs and started making the bed. It was tedious, to say the least, especially when you are in discomfort. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Remember, women are powerful. Women are superhuman. And a woman just gotta get it done. I keep telling myself that every day because sometimes I feel like just sleeping. But you know, you gotta do it. You just gotta do it. Nothing better than warm sheets and clean towels to start the evening and start the week. So while I'm going through this, guys, I just wanted to share with you. Hope you enjoy and see you next time.